Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we have a thought-provoking episode that will transform your perspective on asset operations management. We're going to discuss a revolutionary concept that could be the game changer for your maintenance, reliability, and operations teams. Stay tuned as we reveal a significant shift in paradigm, focusing on the reasons behind actions and not just the actions themselves. We believe this approach can lead to more impactful outcomes. Today, we're focusing on a critical aspect that could redefine success in maintenance, reliability, and operations teams. We aim to show why assessing teams based on the motives behind their actions, rather than just the actions themselves, can result in meaningful consequences. In the sphere of asset operations management, we've pinpointed a frequent issue across numerous organizations. Teams are commonly segmented into maintenance, reliability, and operations, each underserved by technology and budgets that don't genuinely match their actual necessities. This segmentation not only causes inefficiencies, but also a lack of understanding and appreciation of the work these teams perform. Now, let's discuss an essential shift in perspective that needs to occur. Traditionally, teams have been assessed by what they do, like completing preventive maintenance tasks. Indeed, in our State of Maintenance 2021 report, 47% of companies indicated they measure success by the number of completed preventive maintenance tasks. However, this approach overlooks the true impact of their efforts, such as cutting downtime, which is the ultimate objective for many businesses. Now comes the thrilling part, altering the industry's mindset. Picture a world where instead of having three separate departments with different objectives and metrics, there's one unified team collaborating towards a shared goal. This is the essence of asset operations management. It's about supervising the entire asset lifecycle with an emphasis on business outcomes, not just individual tasks. By merging cost, revenue, and asset data, asset operations management simplifies teams' access to and sharing of information, nurturing a cooperative atmosphere. This shift inspires employees to think beyond their daily tasks towards how they can contribute to the business's success over the entire life cycle of an asset. Let's imagine the next generation of maintenance, reliability, and operations. It's not just about the hours worked, it's about the value added to the business. This change in conversation from task completion to added value can revolutionize the way work is perceived and valued. To conclude, embracing asset operations management could be a breakthrough for your teams. It's about viewing the larger picture and aligning every action with the strategic objectives of the business. This isn't just a change in operations, it's a cultural shift towards more meaningful and valued work. Thank you for joining us today. We've discussed the importance of shifting from task-based assessment to value-based operations, and how asset operations management can revolutionize your maintenance, reliability, and operations teams. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about UpKeep and how we can help transform your teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, the future of work isn't just about doing, it's about making a difference.